warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 14 and we will practice teaching about transformation rotation. Before that, my name is Novit Nuraidin with class number 6060 and my name is Safarudin Al Ihwan with number 6064 and my name is Dicky Sambadha with number 6141. So enjoy our video guys. Good morning class.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Before we start the class, let's pray together. Start. Yeah. And anybody absent today?
No.
Okay. If nobody absent, we start the lesson. Are you ready, guys?
Okay.
So today we will learn about transformation rotation. Next one. Today the purpose of the lesson is student can understand rotational transformation. Student can determine the principal rotation of shape around the center through the multiplies of 90 degree, and students are able to solve problems related to rotational transformation. Next, study. And for this lesson, I hope you all can understand rotational transformation, determine the result of rotating geometric shape, and apply their understanding of rotational transformation to solve mathematical problems. So before we next the lesson, I want to ask you something. What did you learn about reflection on transformation before?
Yes.
So what is transformation geometry?
Nih,
Oh ya Kak.
geometric transformation is the process of changing the position and size of a point or shape in a ordered plane.
Okay, it's a great answer Kak. Changing the position of a shape or a point. And what do you think when I say rotate or rotation? What do you think? Okay, Farhan.
Like the moon around the earth.
Okay, it's a great answer, Farhan. Give some applause for Atta and Farhan. Like the moon. The earth and the moon. Imagine we have the earth and we have the moon. So the transformation before we know that changing position of shape or point. So the moon can changing from here to here and here and back to here, but around the earth. So this is called the transformation rotation. And Mr. Dicky, can you tell us more about transformation rotation?
Okay, I explained earlier. Next. Rotation is type of transformation that turns a shape around a fixed point called the center of rotation. And now we have a center of rotation. So the center of rotation, the fixed point around which the object rotates. In the picture, where is center of rotation?
The earth.
That's right. After that, we have two direction of rotation. This is rotation direction. Clockwise is the direction in which clock can move, and counterclockwise is the opposite direction of clock hands.
So, Mr. Dicky,
How can we determine the point?
You can determine the location after rotation using the follow formula. The formula is 90 degrees counterclockwise become minus y x. 90 degrees clockwise become y minus x. 180 degree any direction become minus x minus y. 270 degrees counterclockwise become y minus x. 270 degrees clockwise minus x minus y x. 360 degree any direction become x y.
Hello.
Next, we will look at an example. Mr. Novit, give us the example.
Now we will learn how to determine the method of the metric. If there is a point with coordinate 3, 1, rotate the point 3, 1 toward the origin in the following ways. Okay, we have number 1. Rotate the point 3, 1 90 degrees clockwise about its origin. 90 degrees clockwise. What is the point?
3, 1.
3, 1, and we rotate 90 degrees. It's become 1 and minus 3. Because why? Because if we have xy and we rotate 90 degrees, it's become y and minus x. Number 2, rotate the point 3, 1 180 degrees clockwise about the origin. 180 degrees. If we have xy and we rotate 180 degrees clockwise and will become minus x and minus y. If we have 3, 1 and we rotate 180 degrees will become
Minus 3.
minus 3 and minus y. Okay, good job. Sorry. Okay, number 3. 270 degrees clockwise. 270 degrees clockwise. If we have xy and we rotate 270 degrees clockwise, will become minus y and x. Now the point is
3, 1.
3, 1 and we rotate 270 degrees will become minus 1 and
3.
good job. And the last is 360 degrees clockwise. If you have xy and we rotate 360 degrees clockwise, it will become xy. Now the point is 3, 1 and we rotate 360 degrees clockwise will become
3, 1.
okay. Good job. Now I have a test for you. If I have the same point 3, 1 and we rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin, what will the answer? Who can tell the answer?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ata?
The answer is 1 minus 3.
That's correct. What about we rotate 270 degrees counterclockwise about the origin?
The answer is main 1, 3, sir.
Oh, it's close, Farhan, but it's not the answer. Anybody can add with different answer?
Okay. The answer is 1 minus 3.
That's correct. Okay, give some applause for Ata and Farhan.
How about the shape, Mr. Aiden?
Okay, the shape is in the next page. Okay, Mr. Dicky, how about the shape? Next again. Okay, shape. We have a question. Sketch the rectangle with vertices at A 2 minus 2, B 5 minus 2, C 5 minus 4, and D 2 minus 4. Then rotate it clockwise toward the origin. Now we have a point is A 2 minus 2, B 5 minus 2, C is 5 minus 4, and D 2 minus 2 minus 4. The first one we have to sketch up the rectangle first. Mr. Dicky, can you next please? Okay, this is the origin of the rectangle with point A, B, C, D, and we connect all the point with line and become the rectangle. And now the question is rotate it clockwise by 90 degrees about the origin. We know that xy, and we rotate 90 degrees will become y minus x. If we have a point is 2 minus 2 and we rotate 90 degrees clockwise, will become a prime minus 2 and minus 2. How about b? B prime will become
minus 2 and minus 5.
that's correct. And what about c prime?
Is negative 4 and
Okay.
negative 1.
Good job. And last is d prime.
Negative 4 and negative 2.
Okay, that's good. It's 4 and negative 2. Now after we rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, then we sketch up all the A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime on the coordinate and will become. Can you next page? Okay, this is the calculator we do, and next is the result of what we calculated whiteboard. Okay, in the next. Okay, this is the result after we rotate the rectangle become rectangle 90 degrees clockwise.
So the lesson today is over. Anybody have a question?
No.
If you don't have a question, we have a assignment for you all.
Okay, assignment is open book page 69 chapter 2.
Thank you and see you next time.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone!